Window Installation Lexington, SC, is a crucial service for homeowners and businesses looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. With a variety of window styles available, including picture windows Lexington, double-hung windows, and sliding windows, Lexington SC window installation experts provide tailored solutions to meet every need. Whether you're interested in energy-efficient windows or custom window designs, Lexington SC offers a range of options to suit your preferences. Picture windows Lexington are a popular choice for those seeking to maximize natural light and enjoy unobstructed views. These large, fixed windows are perfect for living rooms and other areas where you want to create a bright, open atmosphere. Picture windows Lexington experts can help you select the ideal size and style to complement your home's architecture. Energy-efficient windows in Lexington are essential for reducing energy costs and improving indoor comfort. By choosing insulated windows and advanced window glass options, homeowners can significantly decrease their heating and cooling expenses. Energy-efficient windows Lexington experts can guide you through the selection process, ensuring you choose the best options for your climate and budget. Custom window designs in Lexington, SC, allow homeowners to express their unique style and enhance their property's curb appeal. From bay windows to bow windows, Lexington SC offers a wide range of custom windows to fit any architectural style. Custom windows Lexington SC professionals can assist with window measurements and fitting to ensure a perfect installation. Window replacement in Lexington, SC, is a vital service for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Whether you're dealing with damaged frames or outdated styles, Window Replacement Lexington SC services can provide the necessary upgrades. With options like vinyl windows, aluminum windows, and wood windows, Lexington residents can find the perfect match for their home. Residential windows in Lexington are designed to enhance the beauty and functionality of your home. From traditional double-hung windows to modern sliding windows, Lexington SC offers a variety of residential windows to suit any taste. Residential windows Lexington experts can help you choose the right window styles and materials for your home. Commercial windows in Lexington, SC, are essential for businesses looking to create a professional and inviting atmosphere. With options like energy-efficient windows and custom window designs, Commercial Windows Lexington SC services can help improve your building's appearance and performance. Whether you need window replacement or window upgrades, Lexington professionals are ready to assist. Window Replacement Lexington, SC, is a necessary service for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. From fixing broken glass to addressing frame issues, Window Replacement Lexington SC experts can handle all types of repairs. Regular window maintenance Lexington SC services can also help prevent future problems and extend the life of your windows.